In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lead magnet in MailerLite. If you're looking to capture more leads and grow your email list, creating an engaging lead magnet is a fantastic step forward. We'll walk through the process, making it simple and straightforward so you can get started right away. First things first, let's head to the MailerLite dashboard. Here is where it all begins, so go ahead and log in. Once you're in and ready, you're going to want to navigate your way to the File Manager. This is where you handle all the crucial documents and images you'll potentially need for your magnet. Now with the File Manager open, click on Upload. This allows you to add any files you may want to use as your lead magnet. It could be a PDF guide, a checklist, or any type of valuable content that your audience would appreciate. Once your file is uploaded, it's time to create a form to capture those leads. Click on Forms next. This section lets you design how your audience will sign up to receive their lead magnet. Clicking here will direct you to the form creation page. Click on Create Form to get started. This is the fun part where creativity comes into play. Make sure to select a form type suited for your audience, like a pop-up or embedded form, depending on where you'll be placing it on your website. As you move forward after naming your form, you'll want to select pop-up. This type is generally more eye-catching and encourages more sign-ups since it directly grabs your site visitors' attention. Next, save your form settings by clicking on Save and Continue. This ensures all your work is properly stored and you can proceed without losing your progress. At this point, you'll see your newly created form highlighted. Click on it. This will guide you to the next step where you can further customize and deploy your creation. After selecting the form, click Continue to advance to the next stage. It's vital to proceed in a logical sequence to ensure that everything integrates perfectly without any hitches. Once you're satisfied with the layout and design of your form, don't forget to click on Save Settings. You want to ensure all those painstaking aesthetic and functional details are permanently set just the way you like them. With your form now saved, proceed to click on Call to Action. This is where you'll set up and customize a compelling message that invites your audience to sign up. Think of something intriguing and concise that offers undeniable value. Finally, after tweaking your call to action to your satisfaction, click on Done Editing. This wraps everything up and sets your lead magnet form live, ready to capture those valuable email addresses. And there you have it. You've just created an enticing lead magnet ready to capture and grow your audience in MailerLite. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy mailing!